Hey guys, today we'll be showing you how to lift an EV vehicle, specifically on this Tesla Model 3, really focusing on using the correct adapters and making sure that we keep your vehicle safe as well as you as the technician. So once you got the vehicle centered and in between the posts, the next step is being able to pick the correct adapters. The one that's standard that comes with our lifts is going to be this one. Again, make sure when you drop it in, you line this piece up with that tab, making sure it fits nice and snug. You can also adjust it too by spinning this piece and even this piece as well to get the right height that you're looking at. With this, we do sell replacement pads too as well. You can see this one's just a little bit beat up, but this would, again, is gonna be your good standard for majority of the vehicles you'll be servicing. When you get into more of your EV line, this is a great adapter that we have. As you can see, there's typically a couple screws that we put on here. For this one, since it's an EV focused one, and this can be a full rubber pad. But again, there's no metal on metal contact. We want to eliminate that as much as possible. And even too, we sell these 1-inch blocks as to even making sure that you're fully insulated and protected as well. Again, for you as the technician, but also protecting the vehicle from any unwanted damage or grounding. The next one we have is going to be the step-down adapter. It's going to just slide right in here. Again, its goal is to really hit a lift point that may be further in the vehicle or just hard to reach with any type of the body or the side panelings that sometimes are on these vehicles. You'll drop it in, make sure you pull that pin out first. Once it's set in, put that pin right back in, make sure it clasps, and then you're good to go. For Tesla vehicles, we sell these pucks. They come in a set of 4. What you'll do is you'll match the hole that is inside the Tesla. You push it in. I like to put my hand and give it a turn because you want that O-ring the seat. Once it sets and you'll see that the adapter isn't loose, it's fully in there, then you can select any of the adapters that you may choose to be able to lift the Tesla or any other potential EVs as well. So for this demonstration, we'll be using our low profile adapter along with our Tesla puck. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to take, again, your low profile arm adapter, pull that pin out. You're going to drop it in. It can move like this. You don't have to worry about that groove right there. Put the pin in. Make sure that goes all the way through. Next, you'll take one of your pucks and you're going to find the hole. It's going to be typically right over here. And then you'll take your arm, position it correctly, and then you'll be able to lift the vehicle. Once you have the correct adapters on the vehicle, the next step is to raise it up just slightly, and then what you want to do is walk around the vehicle, do your push test, making sure that there's no unwanted movement with the vehicle being on those pads. Also verifying when you look under, making sure those pads are fully aligned, they're not sitting off to the side. You really want to make sure they're as center as possible, so making sure that the vehicle is correctly lifted and there'll be no damage to you or the vehicle itself. Once you've completed the service on the vehicle and you've lowered it to the ground, be sure to grab that Tesla puck just by pulling it out, and you'll be good to go.